5:54. We made it. Let's go quickly. There were cows out front, so that was a sign that we were here. Hopefully we can still. It's super dead. Awesome. We might be able to make the last tour, or they might have said like, "Hey, we're not doing any more tours today because no one was here." So we'll see what happens. Is that just like a little window, or I don't know? Maybe, oh, innovation station, and little bus out here that's like really buried into the dirt. Little picture place. Where are the cows? The cows are somewhere. They're like over there. But yeah, here we are. We are at the factory. It looks less like a factory than I thought it would, but we have made it. Okay, walk inside. What's up? Next available tour, 6 o'clock. Awesome. I think we made it. Let's go see. A cool little display over there. Oh, pretty good gift shop. $4. What's up?
Hi there.
Hello, how's it going?
Any chance there's any room in the 6 o'clock?
A lot of chances.
A lot of chances? Okay, perfect. Glad to hear it. I can't believe we made it. If just like anything was different, we wouldn't have made this. Wait a minute. I was only taking this upside down. My bad. Yeah, if anything was different, we wouldn't have made this. Got here just in the nick of time. Just checking out the gift shop right now while we wait. Just looking at all the different stuff. Cups. Lots of cups and bowls, and I like the spoon shirt. Whole bunch of things. My stickers and patches over here. No pint cozies, that's interesting. That might be going a little bit too far. If you have a pint cozy, I worry about you. And oh, even more shirts and stuff over here. They got the little cows. They got little monsters down there, not sure what those are. And of course, actual product, along with it's actually like less ice cream than I thought there would be here. It's just like a little fridge, but I guess it goes really, really deep. So let's see, do they have the one I really like? Not seeing it, but I might try some other stuff over here. We'll see. Oh, tour starting. They also have these little like spill cups. They're interesting.
I will be your tour host for an approximately 30-minute long tour consisting of 3 parts. So first part, we're going to head up the stairs here to our movie theater, where we will see a quick film about Ben and Jerry and how they got their start. Second part, we're going to go to the factory mezzanine, where you will see how ice cream actually gets made. Third part, we'll head back down the stairs to the flavor room, where you guys will get probably the only reason you're here. Is free ice cream samples. I know. All right. So at that time, I will answer any questions that may have come up along the way. Couple quick little things. If you take a look in this pasteurized tank room here, you will see 6 5,500-gallon tanks holding all of the base mix required to make every pint of ice cream that comes out of this factory.
Oh boy, gonna have a movie.
Jerry's is still making ice cream. Our loyal spokes cow is still along for the ride. She was designed by a local Vermont artist, Woody Jackson, and she's been part of the Ben and Jerry's family for decades. Who better to take you on a time-traveling trip through our history? So before we come back to the future, we're heading to the past to show you how Ben and Jerry, 2 kids who met in Merrick, Long Island's 7th grade gym class, grew up to create the world's chunkiest ice cream.
That was an interesting video. We're on our way to the mezzanine now, and there's no photo video, so check back in after that.
So welcome to our flavor room. In this very room, some of our most popular flavors were either created or perfected, including chocolate chip cookie dough, chocolate fudge brownie, cherry Garcia, wavy gravy.
Sample time. What's up?
All right. So come on up, grab a sample, grab a napkin.
What is?
Just eat it like an ice cream cone. Hat trick.
That's a really big sample.
We do.
That's a healthy scoop.
Different.
How was it?
Very good.
Yeah.
So sweet.
I agree. It's very good.
So.
Okay, they had a lot of samples left over, so I kind of took 2 more. And Steph took 1 more. It's really good. It's a really good flavor. And now there's quality assurance up here on the right, and then the Hall of Flavor. Oh no, you're fine. Hall of Flavor up here. Just all the most popular flavors currently. And the Graveyard's somewhere. There we go. My favorite, singing number 7, American Dream. Not just because it's Stephen Colbert, but it definitely helps. It just tastes so good. So I went to the bathroom to just wash my hands, considering all the ice cream that had dripped on. And when it came out, Steph was waiting with this bag. She had gotten me the shirt that I was going to get in honor of it being the 49th state. So that was really nice of her. So we're going to finish up here. Then we're going to go over to the cheese factory, I think, which is very close by here. And then we're going to head to Boston. Yeah, that's it. You know, 49 states. This is a cool tour. I mentioned, and I'm not sure if it came across, but basically they wouldn't let me film the actual factory. They just don't allow any photos or video at that point. So I filmed as much as I could. And you like it? Yeah, the show looks good. Yeah. So we'll go check out.
It'll look better if you're not wearing another shirt on.
Yes, it will look better without an undershirt under it.
It's very cute. You put it on though.
But we'll check out the ice cream graveyard while we're outside as well.
Throw away the bag.
And the bag's right there. So yeah, we'll probably just see you outside. All right, just head out and going around the corner. Follow me to the Flavor Graveyard. So see what else is behind here. It looks like a bunch of playgrounds and stuff. Like, are those playgrounds like part of the facility, or it's just like public playgrounds?
I don't know. It might be a part of the facility because there's like steps and stuff.
Yeah, it looks like it's all like sort of part of it. But I think like, I don't know, maybe like be themed. It looks like just like a normal playground, but
yeah, I think it's just a normal playground.
I don't know. I know it's, see, look, guest parking, please go left. So
you could have went around.
I think it's still like part of the facility.
That are like super busy.
Yeah. Man, no, seriously, we really lucked out with this tour. Like, we were able to do it, and it was the last one, so they had like all these samples left over. So we were able to get multiple samples. Yeah, that worked out perfectly. Steph was just like, "Oh wow, real cows." And I was like, "I told you there were cows on the way in," and she's like, "I thought they were just cutouts." No, they're real cows. They are real cows. They know what they're doing. Where's the graveyard? It said follow the crow, and I haven't seen our crow yet. It's probably like up there. Good news, we found the Flavor Graveyard. Bad news, the cheese factory is closed. It was the Cabot Cheese Factory that Steph wanted to go to. So unfortunately that closed at 6.
I just wanted the free cheese.
You just want the free cheese, yeah. Maybe we'll still stop by it. It's like right here, right?
It's like a mile away.
Yeah, so just looking at the all the flavors. What's one that's here that you like? Is there one here that you really miss? Do they do coffee buzz buzz? Well, yeah, that's a zombie now. Ooh, fossil fuel looks cool. Do they do the Haunted Mansion thing where they rhyme it? Fossil fuel, fudgy dinosaurs galore. Got all dug up till there were no more. A flavor redesign might be doable, but fossil fuel is non-removable. That's clever. What is it? Sweet cream ice cream with chocolate cookie pieces, fudge dinosaurs, and fudge swirl. Well, that's cool. That's a shame that one's gone. Lasted 5 years at least.
This one sounds good.
The Witch chewy chocolate chunk cookies with vanilla and chocolate chip ice. I mean, yeah, it's the Witch.
Yeah.
The Witch that was wicked good, and all that was for quite a spell. However, it was the Witch that was ditched because.
This is a classic.
Sweaty balls. Oh Jesus God.
You don't know.
Inspired by SNL. Okay. Robin Malfield creation. Huh. Making whoopie pie. Ethan Allman.
Peanut butter pickup.
Neapolitan dynamite. That's a reference that no one understands anymore. Peanut butter and jelly. Creme brulee. Urban jungle. Rainforest chunk. This is nuts. So I budgeted 2 hours for this tour. It only took an hour. because I felt like with waiting and like, you know, maybe eating some ice cream and everything, I don't know, I thought it would take maybe 2 hours. Only took an hour, which is great because I thought it only took 2 hours to get to Boston. No, it takes 3. So we gained nothing, but we didn't lose anything. So now we're just saying bye to the cows and trying to not get too near to the electric fence before we head out and just go to Boston. Bye, cows. Shout out to City Streets. We got here right before they were about to stop serving food, and they were fine with still serving it to us. So we got some food. It is 11:18, and we are very exhausted. It wasn't like a ton of driving. It just we're getting kind of exhausted at this point. So it'll be nice to just go to the hotel after this, sleep for a decent amount of time, wake up, grab breakfast, go out, and just explore as much of Boston as we possibly can. That was a pretty good meal, but we have finally arrived. And how's it looking? Okay, pretty decent, pretty decent. Nice little nook here, closet, no place to put the suitcases, which is always good. Bed looks good, we'll check that in a second. Kind of a small room.
Yeah, it's kind of tight considering we're not staying in Boston.
Yeah, we're not in Boston, but it's actually really tight. It's a decently small room. It doesn't matter, you know.
It's got a bed.
What's up?
It's got a big bed.
Yeah, it's got a big bed. That's all that matters. Where's the light? Oh, now I think I mentioned before, but last night we stayed in the Home 2 Suites, and that was in Portland. It was technically in Portland, right? What?
Yes.
Yeah.
South Portland.
So we stayed in the Home 2 Suites in Portland last night, and if you want to see what that looks like, it looked exactly like the room I already checked out in the Northwest road trip. So check that video out if you want to see what the room looked like last night, because it was the exact same. It was still pretty nice, and then we had breakfast and everything. So yeah, but we're gonna pass out, get up early, hit breakfast, get out, go explore Boston, see what it has to offer. It's gonna be a long day. It's gonna be a long day, but it's gonna be fun. Just dropped the GoPro. So we'll see you tomorrow.